More than 100 bills were filed during the first day of the session. Many more were filed today. They deal with a wide range of issues, including energy, transportation, and education. One bill filed by Republican State Representative James Tipton seeks to abolish the death penalty. And Democratic State Representative Nima Kulkarni has introduced a bill that would decriminalize possession of certain amounts of marijuana. In the upper chamber, Democratic State Senator Cassie Chambers Armstrong is calling for a child tax credit of up to $1,000 for qualifying taxpayers. And Republican State Senator Chris McDaniel is proposing to move elections for state constitutional offices to even-numbered years. Doing so would require a constitutional amendment. State Senator Reggie Thomas of Lexington is sponsoring a bill requiring a plan for how Kentucky schools and colleges would implement artificial intelligence. It would also require the state to monitor how AI is used. Thomas told the Herald Leader society is on the brink of a technological renaissance with artificial intelligence that needs to be handled correctly. Of course, it's still too early to know which bills will gain traction this session. We'll keep you updated as the legislative process unfolds.